I am super excited to show the collection. Whenever me and my sisters like drop anything, it's just like you get this little bit of like nervousness, like are people going to love it as much as I do?
To show at New York Fashion Week is not something that I ever thought I would be able to say that I've done in my lifetime, and I think the messaging that we've got around it, working with Kourtney as well, it's like a triple whammy.
Boohoo is really at the beginning of its journey, but I would say just in the last 12 months, you know, we've gone from 5% of the stock that we had, which was made from recycled fibres a year ago, to almost 20% today. I believe if the industry comes together and we all are working, you know, with the same mills, we're all looking at sustainable cloths, we're all looking at recycled fibres, this in the next decade or so will become business as normal.
Don't cut the corner, don't cut the corner, guys. Don't cut the corner.
I think one of the things that is blowing my mind about New York Fashion Week is that sort of like front row element. People will be seeing the clothing up front and personal for the first time. They'll be able to see it on a range of inclusive and diverse bodies.
So the next steps in Boohoo's sustainable journey are, last year we launched a strategy called Upfront. So we are just over 1 year in and we set some really stretching targets about moving to more sustainable materials, and I think the next steps are kind of really facing into those. We publish them, which makes us accountable for them, and we need to kind of make sure that we work together to deliver them.
So I think it's important that we don't just preach to the converted, but that we actually reach out to fashion consumers of all tastes and varieties and price points and send a clear message that how they consume clothes is important, and there are more sustainable, or as I would like to say, less polluting ways to enjoy fashion.
So the swap shop is my favorite thing on the planet. It's essentially an act where people bring items that they no longer have use for in their own closets, and we do an exchange. What's so fun about it is that it gives people an opportunity to try new things and extend the life of their clothing when they're not using it anymore, and give it to somebody else who will really love it. So what I love about swapping too is it creates community, and people come together, and it's just so much fun.
I feel great. I'm super excited for this. Yeah, this is awesome.
Rehearsals went well. I think we all did an amazing job considering some of us this is our first time. So yeah, it's pretty exciting.
I'm Lexi Wood and I'm so excited for the show. Everybody looks so amazing and I'm feeling confident. I'm so happy to be here. So come with us.
No? 1 more hour.
You know, the team that I've been working with is mostly women. Every time, I think every meeting we've had has been all women. Yeah, it's been really, really amazing.
You excited? Let's do it!